Hi guys! Hey guys, it's Ayami. Welcome to Ayami's Cooking. So today I'm going to make Dashimaki Tamago. Dashimaki Tamago is very popular food in Japan, but I'm assuming not many people know it in the world. It's really good. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to make dashi for Dashimaki Tamago's dashi. So add water, this bonito powder, then warm this up in microwave to melt bonito powder. Next, tamago. Then beat them. So this is not Tamagoyaki, this is Dashimaki Tamago. They are two different things. And difference is the ingredient. And Tamagoyaki is, you will see Tamagoyaki in bento box, but not Dashimaki Tamago, because Dashimaki Tamago is famous as Izakaya Food. Alright, then add this dashi. Then add mirin. Wow! Splashed. Then mix well. Kansei. So now I'm going to roll eggs. Jam! Square pan. So I'm going to use this square pan, but if you don't have it, you can also make it in the circle pan. So spread oil on the pan. Then warm this up on low heat. Then wipe off excess oil. So now pour eggs. Not all of it, maybe 1/5. And then just wait. So now it's swelling like this. So now it's time to roll it. Hop, hop, hop. Hop. So. Then push it back to the end. Then oil again. Then pour egg again. Then wait again until some spots start swelling like this. After it starts swelling, just roll it again. Ah, 切れた. Add oil. If there is not enough oil, it's gonna start like this. Then keep doing the same thing. Add egg. If it's too hard to roll with chopsticks, you can also use a spatula, of course. Jian! Wait. Wow! Wow, so fluffy! They, おいしそうじゃーん Looks so good! いただきます that's so fluffy. スムーズだし so good. いただきます。This is explosion of egg and dashi. うまい。Why is it so good? 最高。Right, thank you for watching. How was my video? This Dashimaki Tamago is like amazing, delicious, like perfect. I'm glad that I'm Japanese. Anyway, if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.